Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the side light bulb on this BMW 3 Series. This is 2009 model E90 and the light bulb we're going to change is the parking light or the side light. Okay, uh, so the location for the cover to get to the bulb is just here. Okay, so in order to get to it we'll have to remove this air inlet box as well as the air filter box. Right, so there are 3 screws to remove. They are T20 screws, so just gonna remove this one first. And then one on this side. There we go, that's one. Two. And one here, the third one. And then I just pulls out. Right, so the next bit is to remove the air filter box. So before I remove the air filter box, I'm gonna disconnect the air mass flow connector. There you go. And also I'll undo this clamp here so that I can disconnect this pipe here. There you go. So that's the pipe removed. Okay, so now we can easily pull out the air filter box. In order to remove the air filter box, just gonna remove these two 10mm bolts. That's one on here. Okay, there we go friends, that's the whole air filter box out of the way. Right friends, there we go. Now I've got the clear view of the headlight. So just gonna remove this clip here and then just gonna take off this cover. So before I remove the holder, I just gonna undo the connector. There we go, that's the connector out of the way. And so the next bit is to remove two T15 screws, one on each side. There we go, that's one screw out of the way. Just gonna remove one on this side. There we go, that's the second screw out of the way. So now we're gonna just turn the holder clockwise to pull it out. There we go, that's the bulb holder out of the way, and the bulb is situated right in the middle. Right friends, here we go. I've got the holder in front of me. The way I'm gonna get to the bulb is by having a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I need to do is to bend this clip here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the other side. There we go. So that's one side. And then I'm gonna push the lens plate this way. There we go. So that's the lens out of the way. So the next bit I need to do is to press these pins here on both sides like this. Like that. Okay, that's one side. Just gonna do this side now. There we go. Right. So now I'm gonna turn the bulb anti-clockwise, and then going to remove the bulb like this. Right friends, there we go. I've got the replacement bulb from our local shop for £1 each. Right friends, so the spec of this bulb is 12 volt and the power is 6 watt. So there we go friends. What I'm gonna do with the bulb is I'm gonna line it up, push it and twist. There we go friends. So the way it fits in is you line up the groove, push it in and turn it clockwise. That's how it gets fitted. Okay, so that's the bulb fitted nicely, secured. So the next bit is to fit this cage, and the cage can only go one way. So the way cage fits in is like this into the, see, one side of the groove is small, the other side is bigger, so that's how it fits in. So just gonna push it till it clicks. There we go. So that's that, nicely done. And the final bit is this plate here. It's got a lens as well, so make sure that you don't touch it, and if it's dusty then you can give it a good wipe with a tissue paper. So the way it fits in is like this. Like that. And then this side, just gonna bend the clips inwards so that it forms a grip onto the holder itself. Just gonna use a long nose plier to squeeze the edges. There you go. That's that, nicely done. Just gonna squeeze this side as well a bit. Perfect. Okay, there we go friends. That's the new bulb fitted. So now we're gonna test it before we secure it to the headlight. Right, there we go friends. I've just connected it to see if it works before I secure it back onto the headlight. Okay, so it is working, so that's fine. So just gonna put it back. So just gonna secure the holder back in place. So the way it goes in is like this. There we go. That's how it gets fitted. So now we're gonna secure it with 2 screws, one on each side. Another one on this side. One side secured. Just gonna do this side. There we go, friends. That's that. Nicely done. So the bulb is now secured. So just gonna fit the connector back in like that, and then the cover glass in place. There we go, friends. That's how the cover gets fitted, and then the clip secures it nicely. Right, there we go, friends. So the next bit is to fit the air filter box. So the way it gets fitted is like this. 2 bolts, 10mm bolts, one here, other one just here. Just gonna secure them. There, that's the top one, and then the bottom one here. That's that done nicely. So the next bit is to connect the inlet box. So the way it gets connected is like this. Push it in from here. Like that. There we go. One screw at the top. One on each side. There we go, friends. The next bit is to connect this pipe here. Right, friends. So I've secured the clamp. So the next bit is to connect the mass flow sensor. There we go. Job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.